Hi, my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager and an Ecosystem Evangelist. And the ecosystem is so close to my heart that I wanted to give this year 5 trends that I think are impacting the growth of ecosystems around the world. So trend number 1, if you think about some big hubs like San Francisco or New York City, I think those hubs are really important for building an ecosystem. But in 2016, neighbor cities are the ones to watch, and that is our number 1 trend. Think about San Francisco and Silicon Valley, but watch Oakland. Think about New York City. Check out Brooklyn, Boston, check out Roxbury, and the list goes on. I think some of these emerging hubs have some of the qualities that startups need to grow, lower cost of living, but still that access to talent and diversification. So trend number 1, watch those emerging hubs that are around some of the other major ecosystem areas that we use. Trend number 2. I don't have a cat, but I will tell you that cognitive and Internet of Things are the new catnip for startups. These startups view cognitive as the way that they're going to differentiate their business model, and their applications. In fact, 77% of new apps in 2016 will use some part of cognitive, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Now, for Internet of Things, social networking and mobile will continue to be a big source of data, but these sensors, the ability to sense that data, will become essential. So if you think about it, 2016, the new catnip will be all about the data, the way that you sense it, and then those smart algorithms, that cognitive, that really helps to bring that essential competitive advantage. Trend number 3, digital ecosystems, working online, plus the human touch is really where powerful innovation occurs. Now, digital ecosystems will become increasingly important, but we see the fact that if you couple the digital touch with in-person, that's where the magic is made. So many digital relationships are taken to the next level once you meet the person. Big piece of advice here, don't replace the in-person interaction with only digital. Our next trend is around diversification, and that means really strong business results. And what I mean by diversification, I'm talking about diversity. All the studies that have been done shows that diversity breeds stronger innovation. In fact, you see this. I just moved from New York City. New York City is really trying to recruit more female founders, more coders. And I do believe that that's giving them innovation in digital marketing, in the retail space, in the food space. Think about Bitly that's there. Many companies that are growing up there as well, like Spotify. This cultural innovation and diversity really means strong business results. Now, in the ecosystem, we've really seen a lot of things focused around, different areas that have been more vertical. But I think in 2016, that industry is going to matter more. Industry clouds themselves are going to grow by 400%. Cross-industry ecosystems are going to broaden the portfolio. But think about it. If you go into fintech or healthcare, given that cognitive is so important, the data by industry really makes a difference. So industry is going to matter even more in 2016. Now, these 5 trends, I think, will be a huge asset to creating any powerful ecosystem that all of us need. And we all know in 2016, the ecosystem is as important as your product that you produce. Thank you.